To make your ANZAC Poppy, start with some red paper or some white paper that you can colour red. If you're using white paper, I recommend that you wait until you have cut out your flower shapes before colouring it. You're going to need two 10cm squares of the red paper. I just have this A5 paper at home, so I'm going to mark off 10 centimetres, then fold it in half to get two rough squares. Then going to cut it out. You don't need to be too precise about this. Taking your first square of red paper, fold it in half, then in quarters, and then into eighths. You might like to crease it with your finger or thumbnail to get it into eighths. Using your pencil, mark a petal shape around the folded corner of your paper. You need to make sure that the petal shape comes down at the edges so you get defined petals. Cut out around your flower and your petal shape. Open this out and you have your first flower shape. Repeat that with your second piece of red paper. Now that you have your two flowered shapes, if you are using white paper, I recommend that you colour it in now. Take some glue and put it in the centre of one of your flowers. If one is slightly bigger, use that bigger one as a base. Then arrange the flowers so that the petals are seen in between each other. Taking either a black pencil or a black marker pen, draw a circle in the middle of your flowers. I'm going to use another piece of paper underneath just so the marker pen doesn't go through to the table. Turning your poppy over, you can either stick a loop of sellotape or a piece of double-sided tape onto the back. When you are ready to wear your poppy, you can peel the adhesive backing and stick it on like a badge. And there you have your poppy.